Understanding culture begins with perception, a vital process that involves acquiring and interpreting information through the five senses. Perception shapes how individuals feel and communicate about the world around them, deeply influenced by personal experiences and backgrounds. To truly grasp different cultures, it is essential to see things from others' perspectives, which can lead to richer interactions and deeper connections. Perception operates through three key steps: attending, organizing, and interpreting. The first step, attending, involves selecting what to focus on in the vast array of information encountered daily. This selection is influenced by various factors, including how things look, feel, smell, touch, or taste. For instance, a vibrant color or a pleasant scent might draw attention more than a dull or unpleasant one. This selective perception means individuals often choose to ignore or emphasize certain elements based on personal motives, emotional states, or even the intensity of the stimuli. When something is extraordinary or different, it tends to stand out, prompting individuals to pay closer attention. Repetition also plays a crucial role in this process. Familiar elements are easier to remember and recognize. Additionally, personal interests and desires significantly influence what is selected for attention. For example, someone passionate about art will likely notice artistic details in their surroundings, while another person may overlook them entirely. This initial step sets the foundation for how individuals will understand and engage with their environment. The second step, organizing, involves making sense of the selected information. This can be done in various ways, and individuals often use different schemes to categorize what they perceive. Physical constructs, such as age or physical features, help classify people at a glance. Role constructs define social positions, labeling individuals as mothers, fathers, friends, or teachers. Interaction constructs describe social behaviors, identifying someone as aggressive or friendly based on their actions. Lastly, psychological constructs encompass dispositions, emotions, and states of mind, providing insight into how someone might be feeling or thinking. Once information is organized, the final step, interpreting, comes into play. This step is about attaching meaning to the organized data. Individuals interpret situations based on their selected information and how they have organized it. Several factors influence this interpretation, including personal experiences, levels of involvement in relationships, expectations, and assumptions about human behavior. For instance, someone with a positive past experience in a similar situation may interpret a new encounter more favorably than someone with a negative experience. Relational satisfaction also plays a significant role in interpretation. If someone is happy in their current relationship, they may view interactions more positively. Conversely, dissatisfaction can lead to a more critical or negative outlook. The degree of involvement in a relationship can determine how much sense someone makes of a situation. The closer the relationship, the more likely they are to understand the nuances of the interaction. Perception is also shaped by various influences. Physiological factors such as the senses, age, health, and even hunger can impact focus and attention. For example, a person who is tired or hungry may find it challenging to concentrate, affecting their perception of a conversation or situation. Psychological influences, including mood and self-concept, further affect how individuals view the world. A person in a positive mood may have a more optimistic outlook, while someone feeling down may interpret situations more negatively. Social influences such as gender, occupation, and class also contribute to perception. Different social groups may have varying norms and expectations, shaping how individuals communicate and perceive one another. Cultural influences are particularly significant as they dictate how people perceive the world, others, and even themselves. Culture shapes beliefs, values, and practices, impacting interactions and perceptions. When interacting with others, perceptions are influenced and interpreted through the lens of cultural identity. Stereotyping can occur when individuals replace the complexities of personality with broad assumptions based on social group affiliation. This simplification can lead to misunderstandings and missed opportunities for connection. People raised in different cultures often communicate and perceive the world in unique ways, affecting how they relate to one another. Cultural influences can determine whether individuals see others as similar or different. In-groupers are those perceived to be similar, while out-groupers are seen as different. This distinction can foster a sense of belonging among in-groupers, while out-groupers may feel excluded or misunderstood. Understanding these dynamics is crucial for navigating cultural interactions, as it fosters empathy and deeper connections. By recognizing the layers of perception, individuals can engage more meaningfully with diverse cultures. This engagement not only enriches personal understanding, but also promotes a more inclusive and harmonious society. Embracing the complexities of perception allows for a broader appreciation of the human experience, ultimately leading to more profound connections across cultural divides. In a world that is increasingly interconnected, understanding perception is not just an academic exercise. It is a vital skill for fostering empathy, compassion, and collaboration among diverse communities.